This is Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Here is my 6th month of items that I have sold for Triumph motorcycle parts. Let's see how well I did. Our first item that we sold in the 6th month is a Triumph tank cover kit, Triumph 68. The colors are red and green, and I sold it for $29.99 on June 1st, 2018 on eBay, and this was one of my international sales to Norway. Our second item that we sold in the 6th month is a Triumph contemporary seat for a Bonneville. The color is black. I sold it for $129.99 on June 2nd, 2018 on eBay. Our third item that we have for sale is a Triumph handlebar tapered black. It's new in the original packaging. It sold for $29.99 on June 23rd, 2018, and it was also another international sale that I sent to the United Kingdom. Our fourth item that I sold in the 6th month is a Triumph alloy belly pan kit, brand new. I sold it on eBay for $69.99 on June 24th, 2018. The last item, the 5th thing I sold, is another Triumph alloy belly pan kit, but I sold this one on Amazon, Merchant Fulfill, for $99.99 on June 27th, 2018. And so being able to post things on 2 different websites, I can still earn some money. I hope this has been helpful, learning what everything is sold for, and I'll give you the breakdown of the numbers here in a minute. So the numbers for the 6th month is that I sold 5 items for a total of $359.95. So the first 5 months, I sold 43 items for a total of $3,027.60. And if I add those items together plus my totals, so far for 6 months, I will have sold 48 items for a total of $3,387.55 total for 6 months of Triumph selling. And then I will also have to subtract my expenses of $2,850 is what my cost was for these products. And so that actually, when I take the $3,387 from the $2,850, it puts me in the plus side, in the green, for a total profit of $537.55. Some of you might not think that that's very good, that in 6 months I've only made $537, but what you need to remember is that I still have 64 items left to sell out of the 112 that I started with my Triumph motorcycle parts. I hope this has been helpful, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.